I'm Hannah. I work as a bartender at a busy cocktail bar right in the center of town. Due to my late working hours, I usually don't wake up until 10 or 11 in the morning. I have breakfast and then I do some chores around the house, like cleaning, ironing, washing my clothes, or taking out the trash. I go for a walk in the afternoon and have a light lunch. Sometimes I invite my neighbors over to eat with me in our garden. I catch the train to work at 5:15. During my shift, I prepare and serve drinks, clean the bar, and chat with customers. It can get very busy, but I've been doing the job for a long time now, so that doesn't worry me. I have dinner during my break at the bar. When I get home after work, I take a shower, brush my teeth, and get ready for bed. If I'm not too tired, I read a magazine in bed before going to sleep.